Welcome to another episode of HVAC Tips with Kevin. I'm Kevin. So today I'm going to be talking about dryer vents. Everybody uses a dryer to dry their clothes. It's a really important part of our modern life and conveniences. And everybody knows about the lint. So there's always a lint trap or a lint screen inside of that dryer. And what people often think is that that catches all of the lint that's going to come off of your clothes and go through. And it's very important, and it does catch a lot of lint. However, just as much lint, or almost as much, goes through that screen and over time builds up in the dryer itself and also the dryer vent. And a good way of putting it is Boy Scouts all over North America, they use dryer lint to start fires. So it's highly flammable. It's also very dry because it's inside of that dryer. And when your vent becomes plugged off and is overheating your dryer, unfortunately, there's far too many dryer vent fires that occur, terrible things, and that's why it's really important to make sure that dryer vent is cleared out on a regular basis. Recommended to do that once a year, but like many things, it all depends on the usage of the dryer. So be very careful, make sure that you're cleaning that often enough, and make sure that you're not putting your family at risk with a dryer vent fire. Kevin from Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning.